Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So, like I've been saying on the dollar yen, I still think this is either two options here. This is either an A, B, C correction to the last five waves up. So that means they would go down to a Fibonacci retracement of this move up and then continue the uptrend. Or option number two is this is a 1, 2, 3, and it's going to go down and make a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which would go down and take out the low of wave 4. So it's exactly the same pattern until you get to about this point right here, which is why to me, it definitely doesn't care, or I don't care what scenario it is. Going down to the weekly, I have it labeled as an ABC, but it definitely still could be a 1, 2, 3. Now, the trend is definitely up. We do not have a fib bounce. We do not have a breaker structure. I mean, this easily and kind of looks like it probably will continue up even more. So going down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we have been drifting down, but even on the daily, we do not have a breaker structure. We do not have a Fibonacci bounce. We do have a lower high, but that could just be a correction to the uptrend. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, we have to be a little cautious. Like I said, the trend is technically still up. We actually still may end up getting another push to the upside because, like I said, the trend is up on all the higher time frames, and the trend is definitely your friend. We have a breaker structure to the upside right here. So this move down that we're currently getting is possibly just a question to this move up right here. So keep a very close eye on your Fibonacci levels for the end of a correction. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, it definitely looks like it could have already ended a correction. Like I was just saying, this looks impulsive. This all looks corrective, like it could already have made an A, a B, and a C. We already got a Fibonacci bounce. We got a nice impulsive move up. So there's a pretty good chance that this is going to start making higher highs, higher lows, and start making a move to the upside. And especially with the fact that the trend is up on all the higher time frames, tells me that I definitely am still looking for longs at the end of pullbacks, hopefully for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.